Let's talk about one of the coolest trends in smartphone photography: macro cameras. Remember when macro was just a gimmicky, low-res add-on? Yeah, those days are over. In 2025, macro camera phones are honestly giving dedicated cameras a run for their money. First up, the Vivo X200 Pro. This thing is a beast. Instead of a tiny macro lens, it uses its telephoto lens, which means you get insane close-ups shoving your phone right up to the subject. I've seen shots of insects, water drops, even fabric textures, every little detail crisp and clean. If you want macro that feels professional but stays practical, the X200 Pro just nails it. And don't sleep on the regular Vivo X200 either. It's likely borrowing a lot of those Telemacro superpowers from its bigger sibling. If the Pro is out of your budget, the X200 still puts serious macro tools in your pocket. Next, OPPO's Find X8 Pro. So the last one already had a solid macro mode, but the X8 Pro, rumor has it, they're taking it up a notch. I'm talking about using the periscope telephoto lens for macros, which should mean sharper images and more working distance. Macro bugs, flowers, food, it's gonna handle all of it. Let's not forget Google's Pixel 9 Pro and Pro XL. Now, Pixels have always been about computational photography. With the 9 series, the ultra-wide lens gets an upgrade and we get macro focus. So it's all about that AI magic, bringing out details that almost feel impossible on a phone. Tiny subjects, big results. Xiaomi fans, you're in luck too. The Xiaomi 15 and the 14 Ultra are out here flexing with their telemacro tricks. I've seen what the 14 Ultra can do. Crazy close-ups, sharp focus, and that classic Xiaomi color science. The 15 is only going to build on this. OnePlus isn't missing the party either. The OnePlus 12 already had a dedicated telephoto macro, letting you get ridiculously close. And the 13 is expected to keep that momentum. They're pushing hard for that perfect blend of clarity and color, right up close. Now, Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra. Even without a dedicated macro lens, this phone's ultra-wide and telephoto lenses deliver awesome close-ups, with a little help from AI. The Focus Enhancer mode is basically Samsung's way of making sure your macro shots pop, with vivid colors and sharp details. And of course, Apple's iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max. Apple jumped into the macro game with the 15 Pro's ultra-wide macro mode, and this year, it's only getting better. Expect improved sensors and smarter software, making those iPhone macros even more detailed and lifelike. Bottom line, whether you're a casual snapper or a serious close-up fanatic, 2025's best smartphones are making macro photography more exciting than ever. So go ahead, get up close and see what you've been missing.